In our day-to-day life, we come across many collections like fl- flux of words, herds of cattle, crowd of people, each. In mathematics, also we use many collections like collections of number, point, triangles, circles, each. Now consider two examples. Collection of five best singers of India and collection of first five novels were written by the Munshi Premchand. Which of the collection will have same constituent universally? Obviously the second. Obviously. The second collection will have fixed answer. Why? It is because the second set is well defined collection of objects. In first collection, the term best has different interpretation by by different peoples. So we define a set as follows. The meaning. A set is well defined collection of object. So the answer is a collection, a set is a well defined collection of objects. The constituent of sets are called its elements. Set is denoted by capital letter and its elements are denoted by small letters. The correct letter belong to is used to denote the phrase belongs to इसको बोलते हैं. Is it let A be the set of vowels set of vowels set of vowels set of vowels of English alphabets. When we can say that A is well defined collection of objects and hence a set also A is equals to A E A E I O U. We will write A belongs to A and B does not belongs to A. Is it A belongs to A? Is it A belongs to A but A does not belongs to A? It means that A is an element of A but B is not an element of A. Also, it should be noted that no element of the set will be repeated. Is it let X be the set of the letter of the word mathematics. Then we write as X math MATHEICS and we will not repeat it MAT as they have already been listed in the set. Also NA number of elements in a set A. We will denote number set by following notations. N set of natural numbers. W set of whole numbers. Z set of integers. Q set of rational numbers. T set set of irrational numbers. R set of real numbers. Z plus set of positive integers. Q plus set of positive rational numbers, or R plus set of positive real numbers. Representation of set. Let it be the set of 5 prime numbers and set B is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Then A and B are become Same or different? These two sets are same and these are two different ways of representation. There are two different methods to represent a set. Builder from or roster from or tabular form. Set builder form और roster form और tabular form बोल सकते हैं. Set is represented by using set is represented by using statement depicting relation among its element or roster or set is represented by listing its element in branches set builder forms is so that a set having no element, it is called empty, null, or void set. Singleton, a set having single element only is prime number. Finite, if number of element no number of element are countable. Infinite equals the two sets A and B are equal if they have same elements. Note, highlight. Please sign in to create your own